Today I am going to speaking about maximum power transfer theorem. Consider some applications like amplifier circuits. In amplifier circuits, here consider the amplifier circuit. We try to deliver maximum amount of power to the load. Here RL is the load. This is the amplifier circuit. From this circuit, we have to transfer maximum amount of power to the load. Deliver maximum amount of power to the load. To find out the maximum on power delivered to the load, Thevenin's theorem is very useful. Thevenin's equivalent theorem, Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Already you know that any amplifier circuit or some other any linear circuit can be equivalently replaced with V Thevenin in series with R Thevenin. Load as this. By using this circuit, load current is equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL. From that load power is equal to power P is equal to I square R IL square into RL. From that power is equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL whole square into R. Then maximum power transfer theorem says that whenever the load resistance is equivalent to Thevenin resistance. Okay, here I am considering the both load and Thevenin resistance purely resistive only. Whenever both load resistance is equal to Thevenin resistance, then only maximum amount of power delivered to the load. Here there is a one graph. Observe here, this graph shows x-axis load resistor versus power. Okay, substitute the load value here in this expression. Okay, question 1. Substitute the different load current values in this expression and observe the power. As RL increases, power also increases at one particular point when RL is equal to R Thevenin. Then the maximum power delivered to the load. Beyond that, if RL increases, power also reduces. This shows that whenever load resistance is equivalent to Thevenin resistance, then only the maximum amount of power delivered to the load. Okay, then RL changes from RL value changes to 0 to maximum value, suppose infinity values, whatever may be the values. At Thevenin resistance only maximum amount of power delivered to the load. Coming to the proof. Okay, how to prove that statement? Consider the equation 1 power equation. Power P is equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL whole square into. To find out the maximum power, to find P maximum, derive the above expression and equate to 0. Differentiate above equation and equate to 0. That is dP by dRL equals to 0. Then differentiate above expression with respect to 0. In this power expression P, V Thevenin is constant, V Thevenin whole square, and remaining one RL by R Thevenin plus RL whole square. Then dP by dRL is equal to Thevenin whole square. Apply u by v, differentiation of some dx u by v formula, that is equal to v square r Thevenin plus rn whole square rn. Then du with respect to RL, same RL with respect to then RL plus R Thevenin whole square minus 3 as it is RL, differentiate with respect to V 2x 2 into RL plus R Thevenin. Then V Thevenin equals to 0. V Thevenin whole square. Then take common RL plus R Thevenin, RL plus R Thevenin, RL plus R Thevenin here. RL plus R Thevenin. Then RL plus R Thevenin minus 2RL divided by R Thevenin plus RL to the power of 4. So it will get cancelled and 3 equal to 0. dP by dRL. You take this 2 V Thevenin whole square, R Thevenin plus RL whole square and other side. Then remaining R Thevenin RL plus R Thevenin minus 2RL equals to 0. That is equal to R Thevenin minus RL equals to 0. R Thevenin minus RL equals to 0. Then R Thevenin equals to R. That means whenever the load resistance is equivalent to Thevenin resistance, then only maximum amount of power delivered to the load. Once again, we know that by using Thevenin equivalent circuit, calculate the current. Current is equal to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL. Power is equal to I square into RL. To find out the maximum power delivered to the load, differentiate this expression and equate to 0. In this expression, V Thevenin is the constant, V Thevenin whole square here. Then RL by R Thevenin plus RL whole square. Now differentiate, okay, using some U by V. V Thevenin whole square, V square, differentiate U, here RL with respect to RL1, then V as it is, R Thevenin plus RL whole square, minus RL as it is, then differentiate V to R Thevenin plus RL. Then take common here RL plus R Thevenin, then remaining RL plus R Thevenin minus 2RL, and cancel this, here 4, here 3. Then V Thevenin whole square and RL plus R Thevenin whole cube into other side, that is equal to 0. Then remaining one is RL plus R Thevenin minus 2RL is equal to 0. R Thevenin minus RL is equal to 0. Then R Thevenin is equal to RL. So this shows that the maximum power delivered to the load when load resistance when load resistance is equal to Thevenin resistance. This can be explained with the help of one simple example problem. Consider the problem. Here the problem consists of one voltage source, one current source, and resistors R1 6 ohm, R2 12 ohm, R3 3 ohm, and R4 2 ohm, RL. Here the problem is find load resistance for which maximum power delivered to the load, and also calculate the power delivered to the load. Right. Here first of all, this entire network, this is the network. Okay. This one is variable, remaining all are fixed. This entire network can be replaced with equivalent V Thevenin and R. Already we know that whenever load resistance is equivalent to R Thevenin, then only maximum amount of power delivered to the load. Then first of all find out the R Thevenin. Okay, already we know that Thevenin resistance is the open circuit resistance. Remove the load. The first one is remove the load. Remove RL, that is open circuit, and second one is voltage source short circuit, and current source open circuit. In this circuit, voltage source short circuit, current source open circuit, and draw the circuit diagram. And R1 as it is 6 ohm. Here the voltage source short circuit, then 12 ohm R2, R3 3 ohm. Here current source open circuit, then R4 2. Now find R Thevenin between nodes A. Here voltage source short circuit, here current source open circuit. Again here open circuit, there is no current flows through this branch. Now these two are in series. Now the equivalent, again here this is short circuit, these two are in parallel. The equivalent circuit is 6 ohm R1, these two are parallel, 12 ohm R2, and again these two are in series, R3 plus R4 5 ohm. This is R Thevenin. Now R Thevenin is equal to these two are in parallel, R1 parallel to R2 plus then remaining series 5 ohm, R1 parallel to R2, 6 into 12 by 6 plus 2 plus 5, 2 by 18 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 9 ohms. So R Thevenin is equal to 9 ohms. Here coming to the circuit, entire this dotted network can be replaced with VThevenin and RThevenin. We have calculated RThevenin. RThevenin is equal to 9 ohms. Then we can directly say that maximum power delivered to the load RL is equal to RThevenin. Now RL is equal to 9 ohms. Okay. Then second thing is how much power delivered to the load. For that we require Thevenin voltage. First find out the Thevenin voltage. Then after that how much amount of power delivered to the load you can calculate. Then Thevenin voltage Thevenin voltage. Again Thevenin voltage is open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage between load terminals. Remove the RL and again redraw the circuit and find Thevenin voltage. Draw the circuit. Here the circuit is 12 volt, 6 ohm, 12 ohm, again 3 ohm, 2 amperes, again 2 ohm, R4, R3, R2, R1B, now using mesh analysis, current I1, current I2. Using mesh analysis, apply KVL to loop 1. Using mesh analysis, apply KVL to loop 1. 12 volt minus I1 into R1 minus I1 minus I2 into R2 is equal to 0. Then substitute 12 minus I1 into 6 minus I1 into R2 plus I2 into R2. 12 again 12 is equal to 0. Then 12 minus 18 I1 plus 12 I2 equals to 0. This is expression 1. Then in second loop, current flowing through this loop is already given a 2 ampere current source. So directly second loop, current I2 is equal to minus 2 amperes. directly given 2 ampere current source. Then substitute I2 current in equation 1. Then find I1. Then 2 in 1. 12 minus 18 I1 plus 12 into I2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. 12 minus 18 I1 minus 24 is equal to 0. Minus 12 is equal to 18 I1. Then I1 is equal to minus 12 by 8. So I1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 amps. Once you know the I1 current, now I1 is equal to I1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 and I2 is equal to 2 amperes. Then apply KVL to the outer loop. This is the outer loop. Apply KVL to the outer loop. Outer loop V minus I1 R1 minus I2 R3 minus, there is no current flowing through 2 ohm resistor. Why? Because it is an open circuit voltage. There is no current flows through 2 ohm resistor, 0 current, minus V Thevenin is equal to 0. Then substitute values. 12 minus I1 minus 2 by 3 R1 minus I2 2 into R3 3 minus 0 is equal to Thevenin is equal to 12 minus then V Thevenin is equal to 22 volts. So once we know the V Thevenin and R Thevenin, we know that now this entire circuit can be equivalently replaced with V Thevenin. That V Thevenin is equal to 22 volts and R Thevenin is equal to 9 ohms. This is RL. Whenever RL is equal to R Thevenin, then maximum amount of power delivered to the load. Now RL is equal to R Thevenin, that is equal to 9 volts. Now find IL current. find IL current, or otherwise directly you can find power. You know that power is equal to IL square into RL V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL whole square into RL. Now the condition is RL is equal to R Thevenin. Substitute the condition. V Thevenin whole square by 2RL whole square into R. That is equal to V Thevenin whole square by 4R. So power delivered to the load, if the expression is power delivered to the load is V Thevenin whole square by 4R. Then already you know the V Thevenin and RL value with R Thevenin. Then power is equal to, then power delivered to the load is equal to V Thevenin whole square 22 whole square by 4 into 9, that equals to 13.44 watts. So the maximum power delivered to the load is equal to 13.44. Like that we have to solve any problem. First we have to find V Thevenin and R Thevenin. Then by using maximum power transfer theorem, whenever the load resistance is equal to Thevenin resistance, then only maximum amount of power delivered to the load. By using Thevenin procedure, calculate the R Thevenin. While calculating the R Thevenin, load resistance should be open circuit. Open. Remove the load. Then is there any energy sources? Replace it with equivalent internal resistance. Then find Thevenin resistance. Then coming to the Thevenin voltage, by using either mesh analysis or nodal analysis, here also remove the load, then find the Thevenin voltage at load terminals. Then after finding the V Thevenin and R Thevenin, in this circuit either calculate IL. Once you know the IL, power is equal to I square into RL, IL square into RL, or otherwise power P is equal to, whenever the load is equal to Thevenin, then power P is equal to V Thevenin whole square by 4RL, then substitute, then you will get power is equal to 13.44 watts. Okay, here the given problem is find the load value for which maximum amount of power delivered to the load. For that, load value is equal to Thevenin resistance, that is equal to 9. How much of power delivered to the load means 13.44 watts. Okay, thank you.